Welcome back to everyone. So in this video I'm going to discuss with you what is dictionary and why we need. So first of all, if what is dictionary? So dictionary in Python just like dictionary in real world. So if you want to create dictionary, you have to use curly brackets. Okay. So dictionary is defined to element. So the first one is key and next one is values. Okay. Key will be single value and value will be list or numbers. Okay. So first one I'm going to create so dictionary. Here you have to mention any name in single quotes or double quote. So here I'm taking some values, so I created dictionary. So the first one is key and next one is value. Okay, let's print. How do we print? Okay, it will print, and I want to print what is it type. So here you can see dictionary in shortcuts did. Okay, so the next one is where the stored dictionary in. So let's print the ID of dictionary. So we already talked about last video, right? Here you can see we got the referring address. Okay, so imd dot control space enter. You can see these are the dictionary functions. Here you can see one by one. The first one is clear. So the clear means remove all element. So but it's still dictionary there. If you can check it here, you have to mention the parenthesis. Let's enter. Here you can see it the clear all element in the dictionary. Okay, let's print D. Here you can see the clear all element in the dictionary. Okay, but it's still dictionary. Okay, so let's see what is next. So the next one is copy. So how do we use copy? Wait, I'm going to take another variable. The variable name is b equal to so d dot. Here you can say I'm taking copy. So we have to mention parentheses. We no need to mention any parameters in copy or clear. Okay. Here you can see the copy of element so d to b. So here you can see print d or b is the same. So let's see what is next. Here I can took two names, so and key and value, so, or I can take three and values I can take one. So one value I can give to one key. Here you can see just take I'm going to say another b. So b variable I mentioned the did control plus space, and here you can see from key I have to pass here key and value. So the key is k and the value is v. I'm entering, I print b, it will create the dictionary. Okay, so each one value it will create the dictionary. Okay, but here you have to remember, so the dictionary is not ordered. So here you can see it will not print. Okay, and next one is the dictionary has no index. Okay, let's see what next. Here if you want to change it any value, key value, you can use it. So I'm changing here, so let's print b now. Here you can see that changed. So if you want to change, it will change it. So if I want to change, there is no key. So I mentioned the if there is no key of key name is there is no. Okay, there is no of dictionary. So I want to change here. Arsha. So I am to change here Arsha. So what, let's print, what is it print? So here I'm going to take the Jacob here. There is no name Jacob, but let's print. So what is it print? Here you can see the key is error. Okay, and there is no name of key. So if then we have to use of without any key error. So here you can see the next one is get. So get means we can take the value. So I am passing the here key if there is no Jacob, right? So we know already. Just print. Here you can see it will print none. So no value, it will not print any error. Okay, it will not print. So it will keep quiet. Okay, the get is keep quiet if there is no value. Okay, if you want to get any value, so if you want to get any value, you can get it here. Here just enter, it will print the Arsha. Okay, so the next one is pop. So how do we use pop? Let's say enter. So if you want to any remove value, so like I want to remove job, so how do we remove? So that's it, you have to pass the parameter job. So I am removing a job here. The job key is deleted. Okay, let's print the D now. Here you can see it's deleted. So let's see what is next. So the next one is pop item. So how to use pop item? So pop item means it removed only last value. It removed only last value. If you want to remove only last value, you can remove it. So I want to remove age 20. So I will tell you. So it removed. So just print now. Yes, I have only one value. So let's see what is the next. So the next one is set default. So how do we use set default? So set default means if the key already exists, you cannot exit that key. If you cannot changes the key value, right? So I don't know the name is exist or not. So that's why I am using name. So I'm adding the name is Sophia. So I added name. Enter. Here you can see the name is already exist. The name is already exists, that's why we cannot add it, right? So if you want to create another name, you can create it. So it will tell us the name is already exists. Okay, so I'm going to create new name. If there is no key, we can add it here. So suppose the id is there is no, so I am adding the id. So my id 301, just I am adding my id. Just print. So here the id is add, just print now d. So here you can see the last id is add. Okay, exercise. Before we are jump into the next exercise, so here uh, so dictionary is cannot collect any duplicate values. So like I want to add here id. So if I want to add here id, I'm adding id is 201. Just enter, just print now. Here you can see it will priority of we are adding whatever we adding element, it will take here. So last value it removed. Okay, here you can see the last value is removed. Okay, the the dictionary is cannot collect any duplicate values. So let's go to next exercise. So here you can see friends, the next one is update. So how do you use update? If you want to any value add or any value if you want to insert, you can use update. So just enter, you have to mention the curly bracket. So I'm adding id 301, so 201. Just enter, you can add the id, just print now d, right? Here you can see the last IDAR. Okay, let's see what is next one. So the next one is value. So values means if you want to print any values. So like if you want to print Charlie or so all are printing only values. So just you have to mention curly brackets, then it will print only value. So here you can see it will print only value. Okay, so let's see dictionary built-in function. So how to use dictionary built-in function? Okay, so I am creating here new dictionary. So so the first one is length. So how do we find the length of dictionary? So just simple print, so length length, that's it. D just mean mention. Here you can see the length of dictionary is 5. Okay, the next one is the maximum. So how to use the maximum and minimum? So first maximum. So how to calculate the maximum? If you want to calculate the maximum, you have to, so what is if you want to calculate? So our key are values. So here I mentioned d dot keys. Okay, just print. So I have to give another parenthesis. Here you can see I calculated only maximum. Okay, 5. So and values as well as 5 is print the maximum of values. Here you can see the maximum value is 15. Okay, let's see what is next. So the next one is minimum. So as well as minimum also you can use, so keys and values. So I'm printing only. Here the minimum is 1, right? So the key is minimum 1. So let's see what is next. The next one is sum. So how do we use sum here? So just why we are get 15, why we get 15. Here you can see it will add it only keys, right? So here you can the keys only it will add it. So you have to tell I want to only values, so I don't want to keys. So then d dot values. Here you have to mention some, then add, just enter. You can see we got the values, only values added. So if you want to add, you can use uh, you don't need to pass any keys. So here you can see we already add only keys, right? So keys is only 15. And let's see what is next. The next one is zip. So how do you use zip function, right? So we created two towels, so right, so I'm going to take another variable, so a equal to, first I'm zipping the function, that means I'm adding the two values. So first of all, d b, so print, so whatever you want. If you want list, you can take list. So I want now list, okay, a list a. So two tables we adding the list, okay. You can add the as it is on dictionary. So how do we create the dictionary using, so now you can create no dictionary. Here we got the dictionary, right? So something I got the wrong here, that's fine, okay. Just take here, I got the dictionary, okay, and that's it. So thank you for watching. Please subscribe to further videos, friends.